beautiful people. Welcome back to a lovely evening in the garden. I'm excited tonight. We are playing with a couple of new to me colors that these just came out a little bit ago. These are Liquitex Metallics, which I'm really excited about. I have two here, the metallic blue and the metallic burnt orange. So this one looks more like copper to me than burnt orange, but we'll see. We're going to give it a go. So I'm excited about playing with these two. So tonight we're using this 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my titanium white, which is my base coat flow extender color. Let me show you the colors because they're very pretty. This is the Liquitex Basics Metallic Blue, and she's a beauty. I can tell I like this color a lot. Very, very pretty, very shimmery, very metallic. Gorgeous color. Gorgeous color. Okay. And then this is the metallic burnt orange, which looks copper. Very, very pretty. Beautiful stuff. My paints are all mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. I will link the video on how to mix your paints with gel gloss for you up here. And last but not least, we are using the Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green, which I love. This color is so pretty, and I think this is beautiful. These two together and these two together are really cool, so I'm excited about this. And of course we have some titanium white from Amsterdam, mound on a mound and then sinking into itself. So okay, so we're gonna do that size canvas. Needs about 15.5 ounces of paint. That's a 16-ounce cup. We're golden. We're going to do another sandwich pour because I am determined to get this right and very minimal. So, to that end, we are starting with a very nice, big, thick layer of white on the bottom. Okay. And we're going to just we're going to have self-control and not put too much color. That's probably more than enough. We're going to put the burnt orange on top of that. Ooh, I don't know if I like that, but maybe. And some of the iridescent green blue. Okay. And we're going to do another big thick layer of the white and sandwich those colors in between the layers of white. Okay. Let's change the order up a little bit. We're going to do the iridescent green blue. And we're going to do the dark blue, the metallic blue. And we're going to do the burnt orange again. Okay, so that's 2 layers of colors. And the rest of the cup is going to be white. Okay. Whew. Alrighty. I also think this is a really good test of those colors to see how they hold up in a lot of white. Okay. Let's flip this out. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. Keep your elbow tucked in and just flip your wrist. Just like that. Magic taps. Alright, we're going to lift it straight up. We're going to look at it before we lip it, and then we're going to decide if we need to lip it. Here we go. Ready, honey?
Yes, mother.
Okay, that's actually pretty. I'm not going to lip it because there's some of the iridescent green blue, and I see some of the electric blue, and then I see a little bit of the metallic copper, so we'll see. Alright, let's torch that real quick. We're going to get our flow extender over here, which is just titanium white. Okay, I'm going to go around this. Some on our corners and edges. Okay, so this is very pretty. I see a lot of that transparency that I love. There's some beautiful cells popping up. I see a little bit of that burnt orange in there. I see some of the greenish blue, and I see the metallic blue. So this is really pretty so far. Let's dance. I kind of like this line that's happening in here, so I'm intentionally gonna take that down to this corner first to elongate that.
Yeah, I like that line. That's why I didn't want to have you look at it.
Take this back to the center. I'm gonna walk this down. This one's going to definitely be minimal. Off that corner. Maybe a tiny bit more. So the more we stretch this out and open it up, the more opportunity for making cells we are giving ourselves. Because as the surface layers thin out, especially those metallics, and they were all metallics, are going to pop through. That one perfect white and blue cell in the middle. Okay, we are starting to get more cells because we've tilted this a lot, but I love what's happening in here. That edge closest to you with all that transparency in there, that's beautiful. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is I kind of feel like there's this circle. And you see that circle? I don't really like that circle. You see it? It's like an egg, almost.
What's that from?
That's where the cup was. That's where we flipped it out. So we're just going to take this side of this egg and go down a little bit and open it up and stretch it out. Nice and easy. And hopefully we're creating more transparency by doing that too. So far all we've taken off is more base coat. A little bit more. Okay, so now we've anchored that edge over. We're going to take it back down. Well, I still see the circle there, but I like it better now. Okay, I'm going to stop there because I actually do really like this. I like what's happened, and I want to have what I said, a very minimal sandwich pour that I can use for a base coat, because I am still determined. Actually, I really like what we did in that last pour, Glitter in the Sky. So I really like this a lot. I think this is beautiful, and I'm really happy that we got a very minimal very transparent look going on. I do want to play with what I did in that last piece, Glitter in the Sky, where we did the glass bead gel mixed with this little piggy pigments, and we followed the natural lines and created some embellishments there, because that looked really, really pretty and really cool, and I love what's happening in this. So I'm super excited about this. I will show you guys when it's dry and if we do some embellishments. We'll be right back. That's really pretty. I like that cell too on this one.
There's a lot of cells that are really cool.
Yeah.
Most of the cells are really cool.
That one's got the burnt orange and then it's got a darker ring around it.
Yeah.
Really cool.
And microcosms.
I love that one though. That's my favorite. So this is our dried results of our sandwich cup using those Liquitex Metallics in the metallic blue and the metallic burnt orange. Joey, can you tilt it for me a little bit? Whee, look at that bling. Let's zoom in a little closer. Do that again, honey. Wow. Look at those pretty shimmery colors. Go back and forth a bit, back and down and up. Yes. Look how pretty. I love this. I like the composition too. I love how we got those softer bits around the edges with that beautiful transparency. And I love that there's one perfect cell right there in the center. So I'm going to play with this a little bit with our glass bead gel, and I will show you guys when I am done. We'll be right back. Hey, so here we are after we added a few little embellishments. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It just really, in my opinion, adds so much to the piece. HOA, can you tilt it back for us? Just a little. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh my gosh. And you can see the Liquitex Metallics blinging. That was the Liquitex Metallics blue and the metallic burnt orange, which I still think looks copper. So this came out so good. Let's look at some of those fringe. Tilt it back towards you, honey. Look at how pretty. So this is the TLP Algae and Aquamarine. The algae is on the corner and the aquamarine is in between. Look at that bling. Look at that shimmer. So cool. Just awesome. I love the texture on here. I love what it added. It added so much dimension. And so this was kind of awesome. Yay! Very, very happy. I hope you guys like this one too. Thank you so much for being here with us. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Please do all that cool YouTube stuff and like and leave me a nice comment and let me know what you think. And if you can, please share the videos because that helps us so much. So thank you so much. We'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.